Have you ever gone shopping thinking you will only buy one thing, but suddenly you're in a big adventure trying to find the best cheap deals ever? That happened to me yesterday. And trust me, I learned something important. Very important. Let me tell you the story. Hello, my friend. Today's story is called A Day Finding Cheap Deals. I will speak in slow, simple English so you can listen, understand, and learn easily. You will learn shopping, money phrases, asking questions in stores, smart shopping tips, and a small life lesson at the end. Now, let's start the story. Yesterday morning, I woke up with a simple plan. Very simple. I needed new socks, new shampoo, and maybe a snack. That's it. Nothing else. I told myself, today I will be smart. I will not spend too much money. Ha! Cute confidence, right? So I made a small list and walked to the big discount store near my house. I thought the trip would be fast, but the universe had other plans. When I entered the store, I saw a big red sign in front. Mega deals, today only. That sign was smiling at me, like it was saying, come inside, spend money, you know you want to. I took a deep breath and said, stay strong. Only buy the things you need. I walked in, and the adventure began. I went to the home section to find shampoo, but then I saw shampoo, buy one, get one free. My brain said, wow, amazing. My wallet said, no. My heart said, yes. So I took 2 bottles. Of course I did. I told myself, well, it's a smart deal, right? I felt proud, like a winner. But that was only the beginning. Next, I went to buy socks. Simple, easy, fast. But then I saw a basket full of socks with a sign, 6 pairs for $2. I picked them up. The material felt soft, very soft, like a baby sheep hug. I said out loud, oh, these socks feel nice. My feet will be in heaven. A woman next to me laughed. I laughed too because I sounded dramatic. So I bought the socks. I walked into the snack aisle. Bad decision. Very bad. There were deals everywhere. 2 for $3 cookies, 3 for $4 chips, 50% off chocolate. My brain looked at the shelves like, danger, danger, you love snacks. I tried to be smart. I said, okay, I will only buy one snack. 5 minutes later, I had cookies, chocolate, crackers, and one mystery snack I couldn't even pronounce. I laughed at myself, thinking, wow, this is not smart shopping. This is emotional shopping. But then something strange happened. In the electronics aisle, I saw a shelf with small boxes. The sign said, surprise box, only $2. A surprise box? For $2? That looked fun, but also suspicious. I picked up a box. It felt light. Very light. Maybe too light. I whispered, what if there's nothing inside? Like air. Just air for $2? I laughed, but I still bought it because curiosity is powerful. Inside the box was a keychain shaped like a carrot. A carrot. Why? I didn't need it, but it made me laugh so hard. At the checkout line, I looked at my cart. Shampoo, socks, snacks, a carrot keychain, more snacks again. I whispered, "Wow, I came for 3 things. Now I have enough snacks for 6 months." The cashier smiled and said, "You enjoyed the deals today, huh?" I said, "Yes, maybe too much." On the way home, my bags were so heavy, my arms felt like spaghetti. I said, "This is fine. I love carrying 15 snacks. Totally normal." I laughed at myself because I knew I fell into the cheap deal trap. But then I understood something important. When I got home, I sat down and looked at everything I bought. And I realized cheap deals are great, but only if you need the item. Otherwise, you're not saving money, you're spending money. So here is the lesson. Smart shopping tips. Make a list. Buy only what you need. Compare prices. Don't buy something just because it's cheap. Ask yourself, will I use this in the next 7 days? If no, don't buy it. And guess what? Next time, I will be smarter. Maybe. Useful phrases. Do you have any discounts today? Is this on sale? Do you have a cheaper option? I'm just looking, thank you. Can you check the price for me? Is there a deal if I buy 2? I'll take it. No, thank you. Smart questions for shopping. What's the final price? Is there a return policy? When does the sale end? Thank you for listening to this slow English story. I hope you learned new vocabulary and maybe laughed a little. If you want more fun English stories and smart life lessons, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next episode.